Russia to offer the Sukhoi Su-30SME fighter jet to the Philippines. Defense expert. 3 possible Russian multi-role fighter aircraft for the Philippines. When Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte visited Moscow last month, he had cut short his official visit amid ongoing gunfights between government forces and local crime groups in the city of Marawi in Mindanao. But before leaving for Manila, President Duterte was able to talk to Russian President Vladimir Putin evening on Tuesday, asking President Putin for the approval of a soft loan purchase of firearms. Sources from the Foreign Affairs Department, who does not want to be identified on the condition of anonymity, revealed that Russia is willing to offer its Sukhoi fighter aircraft export variant, the SU-30SME Flanker multirole fighter jet, next month in the Philippines. According to the United Air Corporation, which is the umbrella company that owns Sukhoi, nations in Southeast Asia have shown interest in the new Flanker variant. The Su-30SME is an export version of the Su-30SM that is flown by the Russian Air Force. The Philippine military modernization under Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte is very complex and challenging. When President Duterte announced on Tuesday that he was considering acquiring defense equipment from Russia and China. Military defense analyst believes that the modernization under Duterte administration is going to be pretty exciting as compared with the previous administration, which relies only on refurbisher donations, with 3 to 4 decades old military equipment from its allies. The Philippines should not just rely only on Western military fighter aircraft, which is so expensive, such as F-16V and Jaws-39 Gripen, worth approximately $60 million each. The F-15SE at $100 million per unit, but should also look to other sources and suppliers, defense experts said. The Russian fighter jets such as the MiG-29 Fulcrum, the Sukhoi Su-30SM, and the latest Sukhoi Su-35's Flanker fighter jet are the best option. It's not just only cheap, but it also combat-proven, a defense expert said. MiG-29 SMT, designed and produced by Russian Aircraft Corporation MiG, which is a part of JSC United Aircraft Corporation. It is equipped with high-precision air-to-air and air-to-surface weapons to deliver high combat efficiency against aerial, ground, and sea-based targets. It incorporates enhanced cockpit and avionics, additional fuel tanks, upgraded engine, and increased weapons carriage capacity. The reinforced structure of the MiG-29 SMT Fulcrum multi-role fighter aircraft results in increased flight endurance and a longer range. The aircraft has 2 fixed rearward swept wings with square-cut wing tips. 2 vertical stabilizers are fitted at the rear. A retractable landing gear allows the aircraft to perform safe takeoff and landing. Meanwhile, the nose landing gear consists of a single 2-wheel bogie and the 2 main landing gears featuring a single wheel each.